How to add social login to Shopify. So for this, we want to use the search bar here and we want to search for quick social login. I recommend this application, so just click on search quick social login. I recommend this because it's free. So right here, you want to find this application, quick social login. Just click on it and I'll show you how we can install this as well. So if we click on install here, then it will redirect us to the permissions page where we just have to click on install to agree to this, to agree to give it access to these things right here that it requires. And then it's going to look like this. So first what we have to do is it will tell us go to theme editor, app embed to enable or disable app. So if we click on this button, then this will take us to the editor like we just read, and it will look like this. Just make sure that this is checked and that it's filled out in black. So after that, click on save. And now we're gonna go back to our quick social login. And as you can see, we have Facebook, we have Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, Amazon, Microsoft Live, WordPress, Dropbox, MailChimp, TikTok, and Line, which we can use to log in with. So basically here you want to toggle whichever social media platforms you would like to use for people to log in. So setting up your API is optional, but basically let's say we want to enable Facebook, then we toggle it, and as you can see now people will be able to log in with Facebook. If we want to let them log in with Amazon, we will toggle this as well, and as you can see we have added both Facebook and Amazon as login options. So you want to do this for all of these which you would like to use as login options, and after that we just gotta click on save changes, and this is how you add social login to your Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.